Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by powering the V380 Pro camera and preparing your network. Connect the camera to power and wait 30 seconds for the LED to start blinking. Use a 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Confirm your phone is on the same 4 GHz network as the camera. Disable cellular data and connect only to Wi-Fi while pairing. Keep the camera within 3 meters of your router to ensure signal strength. Note the camera may use a default password like 123,456 for initial setup. Open the V380 Pro app on your phone and sign in or create an account. Tap the plus symbol to add a new device and select Smart Config or AP mode depending on your camera model. If using Smart Config, enter your 4 GHz Wi-Fi name and password exactly. Put the camera into pairing mode by holding the reset button for 10 seconds until the LED alternates rapidly. Start the app configuration and wait up to 3 minutes for the device to receive network credentials and connect. After the app reports success, wait up to 3 minutes for the camera to register and appear online. Tap the device entry to view live video and confirm streaming quality. Name the camera and change any default password to a strong, unique password immediately. Configure recording options like continuous or motion-triggered recording and enable notifications if desired. If pairing fails, reboot the router and camera, then retry Smart Config. For persistent issues, switch to AP mode and connect directly to the camera for setup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.